Hi Sagittarius, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies which are in front of me. I'm going to talk about what's coming to you this week from the 17th to the 24th. So, this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagittarius, you will be having the King of Wands energy in your environment. This is about being a leader. This is about being someone who takes control, who does not do anybody's bidding but goes on solo and has big dreams, and they have the power to pursue this dream. This also is clarified by the Nine of Pentacles. So, this is telling us you have the wherewithal, you have everything with you to pursue your dreams, pursue your goals, and in this week you will be having this energy very soon. So what's happening in the first part of the week is Hangman, Seven of Swords, and the Prince of Wands. That is the Knight of Wands energy. So you are in the Knight of Wands energy. You are going to switch your gears by letting go of something, or you are going to change your perspective regarding what has been happening in your life, whether personally or professionally. So basically you could be dealing with someone's hidden agenda or some kind of association that is not good enough. You could be letting go of that. There could be problems around you, small obstacles with the Five of Wands, some competitive energies, or small obstacles that could be causing Nine of Swords, that could be causing some anxiety. Disagreements around you could be causing you some problem. And with the Four of Swords and Four of Cups, so you are becoming a bit unenthusiastic regarding what you had thought that will happen is not happening. So you have to take some time out. That is what angels are saying. Let time do the work for you. Let go of these difficult or things that are troubling you. Best is to walk away from situations that are external and that are causing you some problem, because you yourself are a King of Wands and you have the Nine of Wands, Nine of Pentacles energy, which is self-reliance. You are self-reliant person and you can achieve. So best is to move away, be quiet and be solo, and then you can sit around and think what should be your next step. So you could be dealing with a Queen of Pentacles, or you could be dealing with a Queen of Cups. So I saw the Queen of Cups. Yes. So Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Cups could be two energies around you. One is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Another is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and you could be also dealing with some Leo, Aquarius, Aries kind of energy. There is some energy of this Knight of Wands, King of Wands, could be another person as well. However, if it is your love life and you are going through some issues, judgment will take place. So there is going to be patch up, forgiveness, there is going to be rethinking, there is going to be some time out or a break, and then you will rethink about it. Someone could be taking time out and coming back to you because they are a good person, they are a person who hold love for you, they care for you. So a 10 of cups in this week can happen for you. Something will make you very happy. Both the parties will be very happy in this time period. So in terms of love or relationship, with the Strength card and the Temperance card, you are going to achieve some kind of a problem or a stalemate which was happening. With your restraint, power, courage and patience, you are going to achieve a balance. That is what angels are saying. And you will be healing in this time period. So you could be healing from a past problem, sadness, sorrow, karmic ending, which has already happened. It could be that something which was over, it came back to you. Now you need to sacrifice that altogether, because new abundance is coming to you with the Empress energy. Some of you are dealing with children, some of you are expecting a child, some of you are expecting a new love or new abundance situation. Be patient, it is arriving to you. And with the Seven of Cups, a breakthrough or options are coming in for you. Some of you are looking for people or looking for dates at this time, looking for a relationship. You might not be having any serious relationship, but there is a chance of something coming towards you, love situation happening for you. So moon will also traverse through your first house, so you could be getting some romantic ideas this week. And with the in your general situation with the Hierophant and the Hermit, you will be in a few days of the week, you are going to take some time out, introspect regarding your life, and you could be taking some advice, some spiritual advice, or you could be meditating or praying to get out of this anxiety period which is happening because of some disagreements or a sorrowful energy which happened in the past. So you will get out of that. In terms of job or career, it is saying that you could be taking some time out, you could be taking leave, or you could be spending some time in introspection and taking some advice from a banker, doctor, from a lawyer in this time period, because you want to expand, you want to change your situation, you do not want to remain in the Five of Cups. That is what has been troubling you, a sorrowful situation that has been troubling you. Angels are saying that you have worked hard on yourself and you have reached healing of some kind. So in your personal life, you are doing that. In terms of your job, you will be expanding, you will be getting out of your comfort zone, going towards a expansion or connection with foreign land, or taking a risk of some kind. With the Eight of Pentacles, you could be working hard on learning new things, doing new things, or training for some course. You could be doing new work which you are doing day in and day out. You are embracing new energies in your work situation. So there is a possibility that some of you with the Page of Pentacles are acquiring a skill, doing a educational course, or some kind of news, some kind of important news is coming towards you which has a lot of promise. Some of you could be entrepreneurs working on your skill and working very hard. That is what I am seeing. With the Three of Cups, you could be having good relationship with partners and colleagues. You could be enjoying, you could be invited to parties or events in this time period. With the Magician and the Hangman in your work situation, I am seeing that you are letting go of past patterns, you are letting go of something in this time period to lighten your load, and you are going to manifest new energies in your work situation. And the planet of communication is helping you in this time period, and any kind of delay or problems that you were going through is going to be sorted by this week. So difficulties in communication will be over in this time period. With the Ace of Swords, you will be conquering a chaotic situation. If you are going through some problems in your work or your personal life, you are going to change that by your hard work. And with the Four of Wands, you are achieving great results, and you will be having this balance coming back in your life, and you will be really happy in this time period. You will be celebrating. That is what I am seeing. In terms of your health, you work very hard on your health as well, but it goes up, it goes down. You sometimes feel unwell or exhausted or drained. You will be finding new information regarding your health. And the clean energy card from the angels are saying that when you fuel your body with a healthful organic diet, you increase your energy levels, ability to focus. This automatically leads to more efficiency, better ideas, and a higher vibration, which attracts golden opportunities and beneficial relationships. So, you will be doing this in this time period. Some of you could be eating clean energy organic food. Some of you are changing your diet, and some of you are learning or educating yourself regarding this new diet or new nutrition system, because some of you are feeling very drained because of hard work. And in terms of your outcome in this week, the emperor and the hierophant is coming to you. So old traditions, old ways of learning are coming in handy at this time. Advice from people is coming in at this time, or you could be advising people. With the emperor, you are taking control of your situation in the traditional way, and you are moving towards expansion with the all the knowledge and all the authority that is required to achieve success. You are going to do well. That is what Sagittarius I mean by the emperor and the hierophant card. It is a great combination. It is saying that anything that any difficulty that you were going through, you are going to be able to overcome that with good advice and with control over your situation, whether it is personal or professional situation at this time, or your health situation. So you are going to switch your gears. That is what angels are saying. So you are in this enthusiastic Knight of Wands energy, very youthful, very invigorated, and you are going to change your situation from a very difficult period, from an anxious period, to a good period which will be filled with enthusiasm. So what angels are telling you at the end is, take a divinely guided chance. Take a divinely guided chance at this time. So the Knight of Wands takes a chance always, and the King of Wands takes chances and emerges as a hero. So all positive change and successful ventures involve a degree of risk. So both are risk takers. So the King of Wands is a risk taker, the Knight of Wands is also a risk taker, and the Two of Wands, which is coming for you, is risking for an expansion. So you are ready to follow your divine guidance to new territories as you leave behind that which is comfortable and familiar but no longer appropriate for you. You make room for new and more meaningful opportunities. So as you move forward with the traditional knowledge and the control, you have more power in your King of Wands energy. That is what angels are saying. So move ahead, Sagittarius. All will be good for you. You have everything that you need. You just have to take that step. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So keep watching this channel. You will find my email ID in the description box just below this video. Keep watching this channel. I'll be posting more readings periodically for you, and the next month reading is upcoming after this. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.